In this video, I will show you how to set up and use the Porsche Digital Key with your Macan Electric.
Check it out.
The Porsche Digital Key turns your iPhone, Apple Watch, or any compatible Android device into your digital vehicle key that can be shared with up to 7 other people. Of course, your Porsche locks and unlocks automatically with your digital key when you approach or leave. You can set up the Porsche Digital Key in 2 ways, through the welcome email or the My Porsche app. Now let's focus on the app here. Now please note that your vehicle has to be equipped with the optional Porsche Digital Key that is available for the Macan Electric starting with the model year 2026 in most markets where Porsche Connect is available. As a first step, you need to pair your compatible mobile device. This will be your digital master key. There's only one digital master key for each vehicle, which has the rights to share and manage additional digital keys. Let's get into it. For the initial setup, the following preconditions are required. Firstly, you need to unlock your vehicle with a physical key. Turn it on and stay in parking mode. The physical key has to be with you inside the vehicle. Then you need a suitable device. You can check the list of compatible devices here. Porsche Connect has to be active. Make sure that you're logged in as the main user with your Porsche ID. Make sure privacy mode in the PCM is deactivated to enable data transmission. An internet connection just for the initial pairing process for both your smartphone and vehicle. Check that you have an active Bluetooth connection on your smartphone, and just in case, make sure that you're not in flight mode. Now we are ready to set up the master key via the My Porsche app with the following steps. Open the My Porsche app and click on the digital key icon. Click on Set Up Now. Check the confirmation box and click on Start Pairing. Next, the wallet app appears and will show the pairing. At the same time, your vehicle will automatically show the pairing screen in the PCM. You will see a success message in the PCM when the digital key is successfully set up. Also, you'll get a success message in the wallet app. Now the digital key is displayed in the wallet app. Now, besides having the possibility to lock and unlock the vehicle hands-free as described before, you can also do this by utilizing the wallet app or the My Porsche app. It may occur that the wireless connection between the car and your mobile device is disrupted. In this case, the car can still be locked and unlocked via NFC on the driver's door handle. The car can also be started by placing the mobile device in the smartphone tray and pressing the power button. Please note that you may need to authenticate in the wallet app on Apple devices. A really cool thing is, you can still unlock and start your vehicle even if your mobile device appears to be out of battery. Now this is possible for a limited amount of time after shutdown. Please refer to your device manufacturer for details on availability and duration of this feature. Now, since everything is set up, I just shared my key with 2 friends via the wallet app. Besides the wallet app, you can see an overview of the shared digital keys in the PCM. Let's have a look and click on the Porsche Digital Key icon. Then click on Manage and then on Digital Keys Assigned. Now you can see an overview of the shared keys. The listed keys can be deleted by swiping the corresponding list entry from the right to the left and then by confirming the pop-up. There are events where you should manage the master key. Let's say when you switch your smartphone or in case you've lost it. Choose Change Master Key if you want to switch your smartphone, for instance. This will preserve all your shared keys. For the repairing process, an email will be sent automatically to the main user's email address attached to the Porsche ID, whereas Unpair Master Key will delete all the digital keys. This is the way to go, for instance, if you've lost your phone. When you temporarily want to disable the Porsche Digital Key feature, you can deactivate it right here in the PCM. And of course, you can reactivate it to bring everything back to its former state. Let's go digital. Enjoy using and sharing your Porsche Digital Key, and I'll see you in the next video.